FOIA isn't just getting harder because of volume. Active requests are fragmented, leading to inconsistent work, while prior releases are disconnected from the work happening today. When teams cannot easily see what has already been disclosed or when the rule of three should trigger proactive publication, this creates repeat work, the potential for inconsistent releases, and ultimately avoidable risk if every request is treated like a silo. Relativity FOIA changes that. Built on Relativity 1 government in a FedRAMP authorized environment, it brings the full request to release lifecycle into one secure, auditable workflow so agencies can move faster, work more consistently across releases, while keeping humans in the loop. And it starts at intake. A request comes in through the Relativity FOIA portal or foia.gov. The case is created automatically. The requester immediately receives an acknowledgement email, and the statutory clock starts. Routing, deadlines, fee communications, and coordination across offices all happen in one connected case record. No separate trackers, no reconciliation across systems. Now, teams can bring data in fast, whether through direct Microsoft 365 collection or quick ingestion into Relativity 1 government. Files are prepared for review automatically, so the handoff into review is immediate. Now, reviewers can focus on the work that matters. Search is iterative and intuitive, related documents can surface automatically, and with our AI-powered platform, teams can prioritize likely responsive records using confidence scores, explanations, counterpoints, and supporting citations. AI helps guide the work. Human reviewers make every final decision, and agencies retain full control over when and how AI is used. Relativity FOIA is designed so that inside review, responsiveness, exemptions, consultations, redactions, and release status are captured together at the document level. Templates and workflows drive consistency. Redactions can be applied across PDFs, spreadsheets, and images. And when that same document appears across custodians, prior work can be reused instead of repeated. And if decisions are challenged later, the system is designed so that the process is already preserved. When records are ready, teams can prepare the response and release package without leaving the system. Requesters can check their case status in the portal, and the statutory clock is stopped. Our design enables every action, every decision, and every withholding rationale to be preserved in a defensible audit trail, supporting consistency today and litigation readiness tomorrow. But the value does not stop at release. In Disclosure Center, agencies can track prior disclosures, identify repeat requested records, and check for consistency before production. Approved records can flow directly into the public reading room, searchable, governed, and ready for the public to review. That turns past work into institutional memory instead of starting from scratch each time. With Disclosure Center, every response can turn into acceleration for your next request. Reporting is built in and not rebuilt later, because intake, clock actions, exemption coding, release status, and case dispositions are captured as structured data. Agencies can generate quarterly and annual FOIA report metrics without manual reconstruction, ready to meet DOJ reporting requirements from the start. In addition, leaders get real-time visibility into their backlog, deadline risk, workload, release activity, and program performance with reporting designed to support FOIA program operations. Relativity FOIA transforms FOIA from a chain of disconnected tasks and handoffs into a modern end-to-end disclosure program designed to guard sensitive information, strengthen public trust at scale, and drive down the backlog so you can get more stuff done. Relativity FOIA, modernize public information disclosure from request to release.